Introducing our advanced trending scanner and all-in-one reversal tool with trading alerts on the MetaTrader 4 platform. We have achieved good trading results in our past trades. It is required to trade on normal currencies. The indicator is a combination of CCI, ATR, and weighted moving average, which will give you full insight into how the market moves and its fluctuations. The indicator will not generate signals all the time. You will need to wait for half an hour or over an hour, so it is better to have alerts sent to your phone if you leave your house or go shopping. If you don't know how to install the indicator, please see the description below for instructions on how to install and attach it to MetaTrader 4. Make sure that all IQ option currency tabs are aligned with our MetaTrader 4, so that we can receive alerts on what's available on the IQ option platform. We have received a downtrend alert for AUD CAD. The AUD CAD pair is off as of now. We are dealing with closed markets. It's easily detectable when trading with closed markets. We will close this tab. We have also received Downtrend Alert for Euro GBP. This tool is great because you do not need excessive indicators on the chart, just rely on the signal and become profitable. It is an advanced version of our DreamX indicator, but this indicator will give you alerts based on the strength of the trend. We got good trading results. We will adjust our candle time to 30 seconds. Let's wait for another confirmation and trade with it. We have an uptrend signal for Australian dollar to US dollar. Australian dollar to US dollar is closed as of now. Let's wait for another opportunity to trade. We received a sell alert signal for Euro JPY. Let's go trade with it. Follow us for more trading strategies with IQ option, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest updates on trading with IQ option and other trading brokers.